Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Noma brand dehumidifier. You may have gotten it from Canadian Tire and you're getting an error E9 on it and you're trying to figure out what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So the E9 error is an error when the humidity sensor fails to function, so it doesn't know if it should turn on or turn off. So what you need to do to get this fixed is to just replace that humidity sensor. Now, but before you go, there's one thing you can do to keep it working while you're waiting for that humidity sensor to be replaced. And that is, and I'll show you a diagram, a user on the internet posted this image. And if you pull it out, you can actually see on the circuit board these two pins. If you solder it across, that will actually tell the dehumidifier that the dehumidifier needs to be on. So the dehumidifier will be blocked on whenever it's turned on. So if you do that, you'll be able to get your humidifier working while you replace the sensor. But again, you'll have to actually manually turn it on and off because it'll be set to run all the time. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.